Oyo, what's good YouTube? This is the boy President. That's good. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. If you don't listen, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. So, you guys, I told you all good. I'm relocating to Johannesburg, and guys, that's a funga. I no longer want to stay here in Johannesburg. You understand? Everything is just expensive. You understand? In the truck, so I think I have to go back to Zimbabwe. Word of advice: if you are staying in abroad, if you are staying in Johannesburg, whether it's Cape Town, Durban, wherever you are staying in South Africa, you are suffering, my brother. Come back home. There's no jobs here in South Africa. I think it's better to suffer in Zimbabwe. And yeah, this is my last day in South Africa. You'll never see me again here in South Africa. It's okay, you know. So yeah. So basically, what's gonna be happening in today's vlog is so what's happening in today's vlog is I found to take you on my last day in South Africa. So we'll be going different places. We're gonna be going to Ramaphosa. We're going to gym. Hopo. My last day in South and I'm gonna be packing also. So I make sure cooperate. And I'm gonna be packing also. So yeah, guys, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. Because this video is gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice, and I'm gonna be showing you everything that I'm gonna be doing on my last day in South Africa. Tomorrow we're flying. So after watching this vlog, make sure you watch the vlog Rutera from South Africa, from Johannesburg, South Africa to Harare by flight. Yeah, I'm gonna give you that vlog. I know I gave you a from Harare to Johannesburg, and yeah, make sure you're checking out the following vlog. So yeah, guys, anyways, guys, yeah, let's go into the vlog and watch the end. Dango. Pawn shop ekuti kuZimbabwe kuna pawn shop andika. Unotengesa masina ako wakaita dambudziko, unotengesa masina ako and then unogona kumachengetesa wopuwa mari wozoishi matenga futi masina ako. Unongosaina agreement. So ndawana futi kutengeswa muno. One pasi zimwe ndoda ku size select kuya ne futi. Iyo so mwana ndongoona ka. Ndokene futi. Ema speaker shamware motoro. So yeah. Sina maseke nienda nikakatengeswa nano. Unono chitengesa masini ma microwave everything. Chirongo ndiri kubhururuka ndaenda totenga masini 690 rand. Gaya utenga microwave 600 rand 500 rand. Imagine. Kana mutsvaka mahita. Imwe hita rape. Gas. Na parafino unoisa mudeni. Oxide aso. So guys, gas stove, everything. Since zirimo muno. Na generator. So guys, muno manga masini yese muno. Even my phones, my laptops. Zvinhu masecond hand masini yesaya. Mafoni yesari panapa. Hauenda unotenga una na dealer kuna na golf kuna na. You just come and buy masini muno. And amna maita. Dia arapa pachia. Maita rapa. Maita. Ndiye marasha. Ayo, ndiye magesi rapa. I cooler arinape kuitere 2.4. Ari kudhura. Pari kuti maita tokwangochipa toita ma 300 rand so. Iita kuti beans dzakachipa muno wamana 16 rand 20 rand mari ndo dollar.
Beans zinosiyana pane idzi dzakachipa
12 rand
kozita dzeiuyi dziri 30 rand for 2.
Sala totenga madola for 2
vatora dziri 2 dzinge dzakachipa
mazona mana pa South Africa murarama life. So mana amboperekedza kumborwa grocery shopping. Ndakutorwa ne flu muno munya chando. Man, ndoka last day come in South Africa kana last day in South Africa. Things are really affordable in South Africa, but mari kuti wanike mujobe muno. Since notengeka but mari wanike. Unye bene rasben. Mana masina notengeka muno South Africa zvokudaro. But mari yekuti umatenge manje. Andikutaurira. Anyways, ndinono zvinopira sei. Ati kwenda iri kudhura lezo. Vintage villa ndizvekupenga izvo just because ya art plate wani kundu 300 rand. But it's still Ona kakanikina kakemasosi kakarunzi 89 90 rand.
China.
Almost $5 kana kakadeso.
China.
Nakazvakandizo kuchina man. Mkwaku 139. Plate 115 mari. Havana zvimwe man. 60 rand 1 cup.
But it's worth it though.
Aiwa
Serious?
Kwa kakai kakarunzi 269 rand.
Okay, can I get table mate?
Pane zvimwe. Pane zvimwe.
Uri manoodles chaivo.
149. Totenga kaseti zvangu. Pane zvimwe mana. Pauro enzana ni almost 5 liters emafuta. Pane zvimwe. Zvigoni. Mana ndo last day rangu mu South Africa muno. Chando chiri kuno kudoridza amba. Zvinonzi chando chinokwidza amba mumutika. But chando chiri kuno chiri kudzikisa amba baba. Namdara Black mana.
Yeah,
Black Panther.
Ayo pano ngando katochwa nizo.
Ndandagara ndi mutsvuku ndo yellow bwana. Samana panapa basically what's happening is
chakwenda kunonzi kuRamaphosa.
Ghetto.
Yeah.
Baba ghetto kuRamaphosa munotsvaka makota.
Ha. Impunde zingala.
Yeah. Munotsvaka makota. So I'm gonna make sure stay tuned, like, comment, share and subscribe. Subscribe channel for more kuenda nasi. Tiripo nanga kuRamaphosa. Uyo.
Wandering ups and downs the streets of Soweto, no place to call my home.
So mana tapinda munonzi muRamaphosa mughetto. Do ghetto rinopisa rino.
Pisa baba.
Bava zvinodaro.
Not baba such.
Ngopisa ungoto ghetto rino rinembiri.
Yeah, like ghetto rini rinongwana munhu wese.
Mwana wese
Masaska, Mazimba,
Marombe esa uno.
Yeah.
Alright. Go my baby.
My baby, there is quite a lot. Just gonna check few places. If you find something.
You see, this place is giving in Cape Town. Those are mama.
Giving
Kailicha. Ramfulen. Those are my get to Cape Town. So I'm getting bono to na quota and then make sure it's stationed. Thank you.
Shange chikuratidza makota tintawana.
Yebo, quota baba. Oyo. Yes. Amana quota mina ndapeza kuitika ku Cape Town kweri. Pageto baba. About this summer things chinga mati. Ala mari. Unaya kumana.
The size of the Russian is not bad.
Nice, so cool to do that. Hapana bakaba baba. Hapa Jose. Rondirira mudya.
Iri skim sami ndala.
Skimi sami. Dokota.
Yeah, ndo story ko.
Ko ronzi gasp noze gasp. Sezvo adongofana zvangodai so. Batiro manje rinochekwa nepakati so then rovareswa. Same izvozvo zvangosiyana kuti rinoborwa.
Bazi rinera rakaita kakusvava kamwe kawaisa.
Oh yeah, ndaibata. Kwechiko chimukati ivi iso ipoloni.
Mpoloni.
Samana. Ngetimbodya sinye. Riri kupisa chomwe. Farwe. Ramaphosa takes rengi baba. Oskirire mughetto baba. Yuhondo ibhetto baba. Amana tapedza. Takudzokera kwedu kumasababa akuno kutakutadza. Uyo amana tatengerwa sparkling water mana mvura dzevanodhura idzi. Zedu masalad asingamwe mvura. Takananga zvedu. Chakaenda inini aselenkila musharudzi
inonzi Reha Park Flats
munopisa.
Yeah,
ndowarotenge kuna na Hanover Park kuna na Elsis River kana to Cape Town maflats make flats old flats zvinongopisa mino zvazvitongorizo nzvimbo dzese old flats anopisa yebo
Uona iritori gangster uona rakatopfeka max baklava ready to attack
right
yeah
saka kanzvimbo kanopizeka karakazvimbo kemakaladi
this is Reka Park yeah it's Reka Park iso
makuchitaura chikaladi
African exact more African yeah
African prata
yeah
prata moti andiri kudai my dream car
where we go
una yakagara pasi shangu
musha wega une motikari
zao baba uwe mumgeto
so
munopisa
aiwa
my dream car baba
pana baba nonzi panonzi pa walkover ameno but these are the streets of Reka Park tara kana une motikari hombe unofanira kutobhalansisa
utsika uri ngoko
isusu nemota hombe tovadyira bhonzo and there's nothing that they can do then tobva tatoya panapa tichitsvaga vatinolinka navo
musavakaladi hanzi akavara noti haliskankut kuti haliskankut dibaimoyo dibaimoyo haliskankut
ngismoy biela
asmoy biela Africans is the hardest language ndakaona muSouth Africa muno. Tambounzwa mujim. Azora pezera kuya kujimu ri. Nangounzwa apa ndakapfeka zishort usate iyoyo. Nemapush. Naunzwa uya ndi kujimu ngomana mira ne member yake. Member yakajoina. Wajoina membership. Saka ndoino rova inozia. Contract yengo yabasa.
Isusu ndara I think it's 1 year then you renew but
uchiende kuchimbwa wapedza kwenda lino
it's been a long time
tambisa mara mana wo ndoka gym karapa pa jobe tokapinda wenzi tipe yatikubukise pa job apa pane pamira vanhu
arita mano
achiti job gym inoza mana get pinde pa gym kuona apa man
jari kwari kuti kata takakula
pa dressing atakakurowa kadresinga ndakangorowa ngoma namwe ndikata takakula waitaura ukatopfeka tubhusi tukabhurugwa nene but anyways ndingopinda ndingonoona haina sasa kusumudza masimbi bosi nyama dzangu dzinozorwadza ndapedzera kujima udhara anyways ichono zvinopera sei station panapa pa Eastern Mall kana pa Eastern Mall
right let's go inside and see what is happening
zvinopera sei parakatorwa pushi zvangu so let's go inside and see what's popping.
Samsung yangu
imbinga yamafoni tours ekura komana mabasa emari mabasa emari kunenge kudada
isingaendi
oyo right mabasa ebag kunenge kudada anyways let's go inside and see what's popping. Rugo. Betul dah dapat gelas. Karena apa gelas? Sudah ada kupinti, bayi aku sign apa sih na?
Tengah udah chat.
Tengah udah chat mana? Tengah udah quote wedding. Nah, baga chat. Mara. Tabuda mgym.
It's about to go down.
Hey. Now we going home. I will black no I'm light. Tower lift.
Panongi na unyanya tabanye light yo.
Inye wetu ni yo do ruken sa like pon panen rinde ga nya so buda bo sika ba background mama tatu baba dina tatu baba na pa, as you can see takapaka ngoro yedu irapa po yemoto ngoro yemoto
silver grill, silver bullet. We're going to not silver
bullet. Silver B. When I'm after Dama.
What do my benefits actually? We are gym members.
Oh, so I want to be a free parking.
Free parking.
So man, I better man. Thank you for watching the vlog to the end. Vlog rato pera. Abana to Baba East Point, East Market. You understand? So thank you for watching the video to the end. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. Understand? This is the last day in Sauta. We're going back tomorrow. So yeah. Thank you. I hope you, if you have enjoyed, just make sure you like, comment, share, and you sub for more and more content. Let's go. Let's get it.